Hello fabulous ladies and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bridgette. I'm an image consultant and style content creator. Well, today we are going to be talking about something that so many women struggle with. Feeling stuck in a style rut. You know that feeling when you stand in front of your closet and nothing excites you? Or you keep wearing the same clothes over and over, yet you don't feel confident or inspired by them. Well, today we are going to be breaking down why that happens and most importantly, how you can get out of it. I've put together 7 major reasons why you might feel this way. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will have practical solutions to refresh your wardrobe and feel excited about fashion again. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's dive in.
So fabulous. Girl, you're so fabulous.
One of the biggest reasons why people feel stuck in a style rut is because they don't experiment. They play it safe, sticking to what they know works, which leads to feeling uninspired over time. But here's the thing. Fashion is meant to be fun, and it's a form of self-expression. If you never try new things, then your style will always feel stagnant. Let's be honest. What's the worst thing that can happen if you try a different outfit? Nothing. No one is going to arrest you for a fashion mistake. But here is the best thing that can happen. You might actually discover a new look that you love and makes you feel amazing. For example, maybe you've always stuck to neutral colors because they feel safe, but you secretly admire people who wear bold colors. Why not try adding a pop of red or green to your outfit? Or maybe you always wear skinny jeans, but a pair of wide leg trousers could completely elevate your style. Start small, experiment with accessories, try a different color palette, or swap one clothing item for something slightly outside of your comfort zone. The more you step outside your usual choices, the more confident you'll become in evolving your style. Now let us talk about shopping habits. If you're always buying your clothes from the same stores, then you're automatically limiting your style. Each brand has a particular aesthetic, and if you're always buying clothes from the same place, your wardrobe starts looking repetitive. Now don't get me wrong, having favorite stores is not bad at all. And actually mine are Forever New and Zara. But if you feel like your style is getting boring, then it might be time to explore some new options. For example, if you shop from places like Zara, H&M or Mango, your wardrobe is mostly influenced by whatever trends they are pushing. But if you step into a vintage or thrift shop, a local boutique, or even try online platforms like Superbalist, you will find unique pieces that will add a fresh touch to your wardrobe. Here is a solution. Try stepping into a store you have never considered before. Even if you don't buy anything, just looking at the different styles can spark new outfit ideas and inspire you to try something different. Raise your hand if your wardrobe is overflowing, yet you still feel like you have nothing to wear. This is one of the most frustrating feelings, but it's actually a sign that your wardrobe lacks cohesion. The problem isn't that you don't have enough clothes. It's that your wardrobe is filled with too many pieces that don't work well together. Maybe you bought too many things on impulse, followed too many trends, or you just haven't curated a wardrobe that makes sense for your everyday life. For example, you might have 20 trendy tops, but no good quality basics to mix and match. Or your wardrobe might be filled with casual outfits, but now you need more polished office wear. When your wardrobe lacks versatility, it is easy to feel stuck. The solution? Do a wardrobe detox. Go through all your clothes and remove anything that doesn't make you feel good. Then make a list of key wardrobe essentials that you actually need, like a well-fitting blazer, classic jeans, and neutral tops. Once you build a strong foundation for your wardrobe, getting dressed will feel effortless. Reason number 4 is you follow trends too much. Trends are fun, but if your entire wardrobe is based on what's in right now, then you will always feel like you are playing catch up. The fashion industry moves very fast, and if you're constantly chasing trends, then you will never develop a signature style that feels authentic to you. If you base your style entirely on trends, you will always feel like you need to buy something new to keep up. The solution? Before we buy something trendy, ask yourself this question: would I still love this if this wasn't popular? And if the answer is no, skip it. Instead, focus on timeless pieces that you genuinely love and that fit your style, personality, and lifestyle. Reason number 5 is you dress for others and not yourself. Have you ever put on an outfit that you liked, but you changed because you were worried about what others might think? If so, you might be dressing for others instead of yourself. And when that happens, fashion stops being fun and starts feeling like pressure. Your style should reflect who you are, not just what's socially acceptable or what others expect from you. For example, maybe you love bold prints, but you avoid wearing them because you don't want to stand out. Or maybe you actually love a minimal and classic style, but you're pressured to dress trendy because of social media. Either way, you are suppressing your personal style. The solution? Give yourself permission to dress in a way that makes you happy. Confidence is the best accessory. And when you love what you're wearing, it shows. The next reason why your style feels stuck is because your wardrobe lacks versatility. A wardrobe filled with single-use pieces can make getting dressed feel frustrating. If you can only wear a certain piece in one way, then you are limiting your outfit options. For example, you might have a stunning sequin top, but if you can only wear it for special occasions, then it's not adding much value in your wardrobe. Or maybe you have trendy printed pants, but nothing in your wardrobe matches them. So they just sit there unworn. Here is the solution. Invest in versatile pieces that can be styled in multiple ways, like a structured blazer, a classic white shirt, or neutral pants. The more mix and match items you have, the easier it will be to create fresh looks. The next reason why your style feels stuck is because you haven't updated your style in years. Be honest. When was the last time you refreshed your style? Sometimes we get so caught up in how we used to dress that we don't realize that our fashion sense hasn't evolved along with us. Maybe you're still wearing the same clothes you wore in college, but now you're working in the corporate environment. Or maybe you had a lifestyle shift. You used to go out all the time, but now you prefer a cozy night in. Yet your wardrobe doesn't reflect that shift. The truth is, your style should evolve with you as you go through different stages of life. Just like we grow, change, and take new responsibilities, your fashion choices should adapt to reflect who you are today, not who you were 5 to 10 years ago. The solution? Take a moment to assess your wardrobe. Does it align with your career, your lifestyle, and personality? If not, it's time for a refresh. That doesn't mean that you have to throw everything out. It simply means that you have to be intentional about updating your look so that it matches the person you are now. So there you have it. 7 major reasons why you might feel stuck in a style rut and how to break free from it. Let me know in the comments which of these reasons resonate with you the most. And what is the one thing that you're going to change in your wardrobe after watching this video? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a style tip. Thank you so much for watching, and watch these 2 videos next. And as always, stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye.